My name is Neal Jorgensen. I live in Preston, Idaho. I became a whistleblower after being fired by Plastic Industries for filing a complaint with OSHA about the company's safety problems. Here are some things to think about while I'm giving my testimony. If you were my friend and you had violations in your workplace, and you came to me and asked my opinion, I would say, work safe, look for a new job. You work safe so you don't get hurt, and look for a new job because it will cost you your job and twice as much as it cost the employer. The company fired me 2 weeks after I filed the complaint because OSHA went to the company and conducted a safety inspection and found 8 safety violations, including 2 considered serious by OSHA, and one for not having machine guards on a bandsaw, and one for not having proper shut-off controls on a baling machine and a pressure washer. After the company fired me, I filed another complaint with OSHA known as the Whistleblower complaint. Filing that complaint did not work well for me. I was protected by OSHA law. I was not protected by OSHA law. The reason I'm here to tell my story is that my employer got away with firing me without any consequences. Although OSHA investigated the facts of my case, found it was sound, and tried to collect the wages I would have earned if I had not been fired, the government lawyers decided not to take my case to court. Under OSHA law, only the government can take these cases to court. That does not seem fair to me. It also does not seem fair that the only thing that the owner of the company, Rex Pitcher, was asked to pay was the fines for the violations OSHA found during its safety inspection, and those fines were later reduced a lot. OSHA initially asked the company to pay $2,550, but it was later reduced to $1,500. OSHA recommended the government lawyers take my case to court, but they decided not to. The main reason they gave was a resource-intensive case, and 2 judges in Idaho who would get these cases were not likely to decide in their favor. I was advised that lawyers sent a memo which says, "We believe we have an approximate 25% chance of success. There are 2 U.S. District Court judges in Idaho, one of whom routinely is not well disposed towards government cases, and the other who can go either way. It is sad to me that the company could treat an employee this way and get off scot-free. Isn't it the purpose of the whistleblower laws to protect workers who report unsafe conditions? I thought I did the right thing, but the system did not work for me. The OSHA law did not provide the protections I needed, and the only lesson the owner of the company learned is that he can treat his employees any way he likes, then lie about it, and nothing will happen to him. Nothing. Would I recommend that someone would file a whistleblower complaint? No way, absolutely not. The way the law is written, not a chance. I have found in my life, for something to really make an impression, it has to have teeth in it. When I was 5 years old, I followed some friends on my trike up to a pond to go frog hunting. My parents found me on my tricycle, and my tricycle got a ride home with Mom. I got to ride a switch home in front of Dad all the way home. The next time I went to that pond, I was about 11 years old, and it was winter. No chance of drowning there. I think OSHA needs a switch. Something with some teeth in it. Thank you for letting me tell my story. I hope you're able to do something to improve the OSHA law that is supposed to protect workers.